Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey, my producer and editor, and also my dog Sophie is right over there staring at me, making sure I don't mess up. Making me very nervous, if I must be honest. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year, and Happy Wednesday. That's when I'm filming this. Today is very exciting. We're gonna do the Yule Mule Cocktail from Jock Lindsey's Hangar Bar in Disney Springs. That is the Indiana Jones themed bar. It's themed after his pilot from the Raiders of the Lost Ark, the one that has the snake, my pet snake, Reggie. That's just my pet snake, Reggie. The one that has the snake that when we first find out that Indiana Jones is not a big fan of snakes. So if you haven't been there, definitely go. So they had this drink there last year. I'm not exactly sure if they do this year. I haven't been yet, but I think that they do. So let's hope they do. If not, watch this video. You can make it at home, and it's a perfect drink for the holiday season. The only thing, I don't have any copper mugs. I used to. I don't have any copper mugs though, so I'm gonna be putting it into something else, but not a huge deal. I don't know where they went. I can't find them. It's ridiculous, but you know what? It'll be fine. Okay, so let's get started. I can't wait. And I found this recipe at wishesandwayfinding.com. All right, so it's now time to try this. Also try not to spill it. It's always a good thing. You know, if you use the copper mugs, that would be better because you can put more of the ginger beer in it, because this one doesn't have as much as it should have, but I'm still gonna try it. Oh, wow. That is delicious. Very good. If you like cranberry juice, you're gonna love this. If you don't like cranberry juice, you might not, but if you like cranberry, you're gonna love this. I think it's fantastic. You really can't taste the vodka, so you might wanna put a little bit more than one shot in here, which I probably should have done, and I usually do. But I would say, yeah, this is fantastic. Very, very festive. Perfect for Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, Wednesday. All right. Okay, so yeah, I'll say I'll give this I'll give it a 7 out of 10. But I think if I had an actual copper mug filled with more ginger beer, maybe more vodka, it would probably bump it up to an 8. But for now, I'm gonna give it a 7, which isn't bad. So that's our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, you can also subscribe because you can make fun of me like Sophie does every day. She's doing it right now. You can also hit the like button, really helps me out. More importantly, it helps Sophie out. You can also hit the notification bell to know when I have new videos, which is usually 1 or 2 a week. And you can also hit the notification bell. Yeah, I just said that. So you wouldn't want to do that twice. Well, you could do that twice. The last thing would be you can leave a comment. If there's anything you'd like to see me make or do, I can attempt to do that. Keyword being attempt. And if you've ever tried something that you love and you're not sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching.